Let us start with next example. The Cartesian equation of line is x minus 6 upon 2 equal to y plus 4 upon 7 is equal to z minus 5 upon 3. Find the vector equation of line. Equation of line, it can be written in vector form as well as Cartesian form. Cartesian form can be converted into vector form. Vector form can be converted into Cartesian form. Equation of line passing through point x1, y1, z1 with direction ratios ABC. It is given by x minus x1 upon a equal to y minus y1 upon b equal to z minus z1 upon c. Now this is equation of given line and we have to convert it into vector equation of line. If we know position vector of one point on the line and vector parallel to line, then equation of line in vector form r bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar. From given equation of line in Cartesian form, we can find coordinates of point which lies on line. Compare given equation with general equation. So we get x1 equal to 6, y1 negative minus 4, z1 5. So coordinates of point on the line 6 minus 4 5. And to form equation of line in vector form, we require position vector of a point on the line. Here coordinates of point on a line are known to us. Find its position vector. Suppose this is point A. Its position vector we shall denote by small letter. Coordinates of point, they become coefficients of unit vectors I, j, k. So here a bar 6i minus 4j plus 5k. Similarly, we want a vector parallel to the line. Now if we compare given equation of line with general equation of line in Cartesian form, numbers in denominator, they are direction ratios. A equal to 2, B equal to 7, C equal to 3. These are the direction ratios. Direction ratios for a line are infinite and they are proportional. From direction ratios, we can write a vector parallel to line. Suppose B bar is a vector parallel to line. Then direction ratios, they become coefficients of unit vectors I, j, k. So B bar equal to 2i plus 7j plus 3k. Now we can write equation of line in vector form. R bar equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, where a bar is position vector of a point on the line and b bar, it is a vector parallel to the line. Put corresponding values. A bar 6i minus 4j plus 5k plus lambda into bracket value of b bar 2i plus 7j plus 3k. So in this example, equation of line, it is given in Cartesian form and we have to write equation of line in vector form. Now next example, we have to find vector equation of line passing through point whose position vector is given I plus 2j plus 3k. This is position vector of a point on the line and perpendicular to two vectors I plus j plus k and 2I minus j plus k. So position vector of a point on the line is given and two vectors perpendicular to line are given here. Position vector of point we shall denote by a bar. So a bar I plus 2j plus 3k. This is position vector of point A. Two vectors perpendicular to line are given. Let us denote them by notations b bar and c bar. So b bar I plus j plus k. C bar 2I minus j plus k. If we know position vector of a point on the line and vector parallel to line, then we can write equation of line in vector form. Here position vector of a point on the line is known to us, but here we know two vectors which are perpendicular to the line. Suppose this is point A on the line, position vector a bar. B bar and C bar, they are the vectors which are perpendicular to the line. And to form equation of line in vector form, we require vector parallel to the line. Now we know cross product of two vectors is a vector which is perpendicular to both the lines. So if we find cross product of B bar with C bar, it is a line which is perpendicular to B bar and C bar both. And it is perpendicular to B bar and C bar, it means that this is a vector which is parallel to given line. As we have to find cross product of two vectors, and two vectors they are expressed in terms of unit vectors I, j, k, we can find their cross product by using determinant. Cross product of two vectors is a vector quantity. Cross product is given here by using determinant because both vectors are expressed in terms of I, j, k. In first row of determinant, unit vectors I, j, k. Here B bar is a first vector. In second row of determinant, we have to write coefficients of I, j, k for first vector B bar. For B bar, coefficients of I, j, k, 1 each. Here C bar is second vector. And in third row of determinant, we have to write coefficients of I, j, k for second vector C bar. 2 minus 1, 1. Evaluate determinant. I into bracket, this product, 1. This product is negative, but as we have to subtract, it becomes positive. Second element of first row with opposite sign, minus j. 1 into 1 minus 1 into 2 plus third element of first row with same sign, k, in bracket, minus 1 minus 2. This is equal to 2I minus minus plus j minus 3k. So B bar cross C bar, it is perpendicular to B bar and C bar. It means that B bar cross C bar, it is parallel to the line. Now we can write equation of line in vector form. r bar equal to position vector of a point on the line a bar plus lambda into vector parallel to line. Here instead of b bar cross c bar is parallel to line. So lambda b bar cross c bar. Put the corresponding values. A bar I plus 2j plus 3k plus lambda into b bar cross c bar, we shall write in bracket 2i plus j minus 3k. Next example. Find vector equation of line passing through point -1, -1, 2 and parallel to the line 2x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 6z minus 2. So we have to write vector equation of line. One point on the line is given. For vector equation of line, we require position vector of one point on the line and vector parallel to the line. As coordinates of point are given, we can find its position vector. Suppose given point A, then write down its position vector. Coordinates, they become coefficients of I, j, k. So minus I minus j plus 2k. Then we require vector parallel to the line. Here equation of one line is given, and that equation, it is in Cartesian form. 2x minus 2 is equal to 3y plus 1 is equal to 6z minus 2. Now general equation of line in Cartesian form, x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. Now given equation, it is not in required form. Coefficient of x should be 1. Coefficient of y as well as z should be equal to 1. To bring coefficient of x as 1, take 2 common here. In bracket we get x minus 1. To make coefficient of y 1, take 3 common. In bracket y plus 1 by 3 equal to, take 6 common so that coefficient of z becomes 1. Here 2 by 6 1 by 3. After that here outside bracket x minus x1 coefficient should be 1 and number should be present in denominator. So we should avoid 2, 3 and 6, these numbers from the numerators. For that purpose, we shall divide these numbers. Now 2, 3, 6. LCM of these numbers is 6. So it is more convenient to divide it by 6. Divide each side by 6. X minus 1 upon 3 equal to y plus 1 by 3 can be written minus of minus 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 6 2 equal to z minus 1 by 3. 6 gets cancelled, 1. Compare this equation with equation of line in Cartesian form. So we get x1 1, y1 minus 1 by 3, z1 1 by 3. So coordinates of point 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. This is a point on the line. Numbers in denominator, they are direction ratios. So 3, 2, 1. They are direction ratios of line. We have to find vector equation of line which is passing through given point. So we have found its position vector and parallel to the line. So this line, it is not required line, it is parallel. But direction ratios of parallel lines are same or proportional. So from direction ratios, we can find vector parallel to required line. Suppose B bar is a vector parallel to required line. So B bar equal to direction ratios, they become coefficients of I, J, K. So we know position vector of one point on the line, vector parallel to the line. So equation of line in vector form, R bar equal to A bar plus lambda B bar, value of A bar, minus I minus J plus 2K plus lambda into bracket 3I plus 2J plus K.